Feed them bird seed, not bread. Bread is not good for them. If you're gonna feed them bread, make it whole wheat at the very least. But bird seeds, they're not expensive. Best be a bird feeder, especially in the winter when it's cold and snowy, where many suffer. And not a bird eater, where they're tortured in sick factory farms. Watch Farm to Fridge on YouTube and share if you care. Meatvideo.com and meat.org. Beautiful birdies, Birdman Vegan Future. C152 Pilot, IFR rated. Be a bird feeder, not a bird eater. And don't overpopulate 8 billion people. And don't wear animal furs on your coat hood. And public transit saves, not suburban sprawl. And personal cars. Again, be a bird feeder, not a bird eater. Don't be a cruel caveman wearing animal skins. Share if you care. Humans have doubled in 50 years and killed off 69% of wildlife. Vegan is the future.